Got the trash car out. The sun's going down. You know, it's been sitting for like 18 years now or something like that. It's a little 18-year cold start. I don't know how well the camera's gonna work, but I'll try to do a little pull. See if I can make a little boost. Or at least get the blow off valve to make a sound. I don't know how well you can hear, but I found this guy that wants to race me. I'm gonna pull up on him so we can see what's up.